All right, today we're going to dig into a company that is quietly building the actual physical backbone of this whole AI revolution. You might not know their name, but I guarantee you know their customers. We're talking the absolute giants of the tech world. So this is the story of Celestica and how they're basically selling the tools for the great AI gold rush.
It's a question on everybody's mind, right? We hear about these incredible new AI models almost every single day, but what's actually making it all possible? What's the real engine under the hood here?
And there's your answer. It's not just some magic code floating in the cloud. It's this immense global infrastructure of servers, switches, and custom-made silicon. And somebody has to build all of that stuff, which brings us to Celestica's just absolutely stunning recent performance.
Okay, so to say they had a good quarter would be a colossal understatement. Seriously. They didn't just meet their goals, they completely blew them out of the water, and that's signaling a massive tidal wave of demand for what they make. Let's just look at the numbers for their fourth quarter of 2025. They brought in $3.65 billion in revenue and had adjusted earnings per share of $1.89. But here's the wild part. Both of these figures just soared past the high end of their own forecasts. That tells you that the demand for their hardware is growing even faster than they thought it would. And when you zoom out and look at the whole year, the picture gets even crazier. Revenue was up a very healthy 28%. But, and this is the key part, look at their adjusted earnings per share. It surged a massive 56%. 56? That means their profits literally grew twice as fast as their sales. That's a sign of incredible efficiency and, well, a huge shift in their business. So what on earth is driving this explosion? Well, the reason for all this explosive growth, it really boils down to one of the oldest rules of any gold rush.
And this is the key to understanding everything. While all the big tech giants are in this frantic race to create the best AI models, that's the gold, Celestica is the company manufacturing the essential equipment they all need. They're the ones building the complex server racks and the high-speed networking switches that together make up the physical backbone of the cloud. And here is exactly where that picks and shovels business lives. As you can see, almost 80% of their revenue comes from their connectivity and cloud solutions segment, or CCS. This is the absolute core of their AI growth story. So let's break that down a little. That CCS segment, it's all about building the nuts and bolts of the cloud. We're talking ultra-fast networking switches and those really complex compute systems needed for AI. Their other segment, ATS, that's a solid business in areas like aerospace and health tech. But CCS? CCS is the real growth engine right now. So who's buying all this stuff?
The answer is hyperscalers. Yep, these are the giants of the tech world. Think of the companies providing the cloud services that we all use every day. To power their massive AI ambitions, they are investing billions and billions of dollars in building out data centers, and they need partners like Celestica to actually make it all happen. And this isn't some abstract idea. They are a preferred manufacturing partner for Google's custom AI chips, the Tensor Processing Units, or TPUs. I mean, that's a direct, concrete link to one of the biggest players in the entire AI game. Being a partner for custom silicon like this is a huge deal. It means you're deeply, deeply integrated into Google's roadmap, which locks in a powerful long-term stream of revenue. So, seeing this just unprecedented demand, Celestica isn't just riding the wave. They're building a much, much bigger boat. And that brings us to their massive investment in the future. They've made it crystal clear that what their customers are telling them they'll need in the future is so huge that they need to scale up, and fast. They're aligning their own multi-year plans directly with their customers' long-term AI infrastructure roadmaps. And the scale of this investment, it's truly eye-popping. $1 billion. That's what they're planning to spend on capital expenditures in 2026 alone, in 1 year. To put that into perspective, that's nearly a five-fold increase from the 200-something million they spent in 2025. This is a massive, all-in bet on sustained long-term growth. So what exactly is CapEx? Well, it's the money a company spends on major physical stuff. We're talking new factories, buildings, equipment. For Celestica, this $1 billion is going straight into building more factories and buying more equipment to pump out more of the critical hardware their customers are practically screaming for. And look, they're not just building anywhere.
This is a super strategic global expansion. They're opening new facilities in Texas, adding over 1 million square feet of space in Thailand, upgrading sites in Mexico and Japan, and even setting up new design centers in key tech hubs like Austin and Taiwan, just to be closer to their customers and all that innovation. Now, this huge investment, it isn't just some hopeful wish. It's based on the business they can already see coming down the pipeline, and you can see that confidence reflected directly in their updated financial outlook for next year. And that confidence, it translates directly into their new outlook for 2026. They've raised their revenue guidance by a full $1 billion, all the way up to $17 billion. And they've bumped their adjusted earnings per share outlook to $8.75. This just signals incredible conviction that they can execute and capture all the surging demand. And if you need any more convincing, just listen to this quote from their CFO, Mandeep Chawla. He's basically saying that what their customers are already telling them they'll need is higher than the $17 billion number they're publicly guiding to. It really suggests that even this new higher forecast might still be conservative. This chart really puts that acceleration into sharp focus. Going from $12.4 billion in 2025 to a target of $17 billion in 2026 is a massive, massive leap. It's not just growth, it's a fundamental step change in the scale of the entire company. And it's all being driven by the AI boom. So let's pull back for a second and look at what this all really means. Celestica is positioning itself not just as some supplier, but as a truly foundational partner in what is probably the biggest tech shift of our entire generation. Their CEO, Rob Mionius, he said it perfectly. He sees them as a critical enabler of the AI revolution. They're not just screwing boxes together. They're helping solve some of the most complex hardware challenges out there, from next-gen networking to advanced liquid cooling for these incredibly powerful news systems. So the ultimate takeaway here is this. As AI gets woven into pretty much everything, the demand for the kind of specialized, high-performance hardware that Celestica builds is only going to grow. They've made themselves a key, indispensable part of the supply chain for innovation itself. And that leaves us with a really fascinating final thought, doesn't it? In this new technological gold rush, as the whole world rushes to develop and deploy artificial intelligence, is the surest bet on the miners digging for that digital gold, or is it on the companies who are providing the essential tools for everyone to dig? It's a question that really defines the entire structure of the new AI economy.